This could be used for indoor and outdoor. Now, the projector's not included. This is a whole bag, including with the actual post to stand up. So we're going to set it up and see how well it works. All right, here's exactly all the pieces that are included in the bag. They include the actual manual, how to set it up. It's a screen, so we're going to set it up here in our living room here. And we're going to see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, if you guys can see, here it is. It took me about 20 minutes to set up. You could do this with one person or two, but I'm gonna show you a couple of things. On the corner itself here, this corner was very simple to put together. You could actually attach at the end. Makes it nice and stretchable. We're talking about 120 inches. This is a little bit big. If you're gonna do a movie theater night, perfect. Indoors or outdoors. Now, if you're gonna use this outdoors, you're gonna need to put maybe some weights on this so the wind will take it. That's my only recommendation on it. But I would prefer this using it indoors. Beautiful large screen. Let's put it to use. Let's take a look at the screen itself. You could fill the whole screen, but right now my projection is only filling up certain things because I haven't pulled it back. But the projector screen, really handy, easy to set up, easy to put away too. At the end of the day, you could take this anywhere, pretty much. Indoors, outdoors, but if you're gonna put it outdoors, make sure you put some weights. Very simple screen. I hope you guys enjoy the video.